Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a couple of different strategies for computation and subtraction using base 10 blocks and the number line. So let's get started. Our problem today is going to be 407 minus 274. Now it is in subtraction right now, but you can also look at it in a different way. You can think addition and see what number you can add to 274 to make 407. We are going to be looking at it both ways today to see which one you can be more comfortable with. Let's first look at the whole equation and estimate an answer. I came up with 135, and to show you, I rounded 407 down to 400, and I'm going to round 274 all the way up to 300. Now it is pretty high, but I know in my head that I can do 400 minus 300 and make it into 100. It is still quite a leap from our original estimation because there are numbers still missing from both 407 and 274. So what I'm going to do is take the 7 from 400 and round it up again to 10. And I know that I'm missing about 25 between 274 and 300. So I'm going to guess 25 and add that to my 10. That will give me 35, and when I add it back to my 100, I will have 135, which was my original estimate. Keep in mind this is only an estimation and not our final answer. It is just one way that we can look at the whole equation first. Now let's look at our first strategy using base 10 blocks. Recall that our original problem is 407 minus 274. Using base 10 blocks, this is how we represent 407 and 274. What I'm going to be showing you is the subtraction method first using base 10 blocks, and I'm going to overlap the 274 to show you that it goes into 407. Once I've overlapped some of them, I am going to put them away just to avoid confusion. So now that's 100 and 200 from my 274 into 407. And I have 74 left from my original 274. I'm just going to put 100 down from my 407 and overlap 70 over it. And I'm going to align the 4 from my 274 and put it away again just to see how much we have left behind. Now I have a 100 block left and 3 ones. And I have here the 70 that I've overlapped, which we're going to pretend does not exist. And I have 100, 10, 20, 30, and 3 ones, or all in all 133, which is also our difference. However, there is also another way of looking at it using base 10 blocks, and that is thinking addition. So we are going to find a number to add to 274 to make 407. So right now I have 274 and I'm adding 100 to have 374. And I know that to make 100 from my 70, I am going to add 30. 10, 20, and 30. So now I know that I have 404. Now to get to 407, I know I only need to add 3 more. And now I have 407. All in all, we have added 100, 30, and 3, or 133, which is also our difference. Now let's look at another strategy using the number line. Looking at the number line, I know that 280 is very close to 274. It only takes 6 steps. And I know that 400 is very close to 407 as well. It only takes 7 steps to get to 407. We really are just looking at how many steps it takes to get from 274 to 407. Now I know that 300 is only 20 steps away from 280. And to get to 400 from 300, it only takes 100 steps. Now what you're going to do is think addition using the numbers that are on the top. You're going to add 6, 20, 100, and 7. I'm going to speed through it quickly, but it is pretty easy once it's broken down. I know 120 make 120, 6 and 7 make 13, and when you add 120 and 13, you will get 133, which is also our difference. These are just a couple of strategies that you can use to make subtraction in math just a little bit more friendly. I hope it works out for you, and thank you for watching.